So let's create a standard. We are selecting MySQL. Select a version. Let's select same version. Otherwise, it will be so production, and we'll keep this as. So let's give the database identifier and root master password.
Now it will work, Harish.
Stop. Let me select T2 medium. I'll select T2 large. Let it be. It will be a bit quicker. Enable auto scaling, multi-agent, VPC August 1st. Additional settings. Subnet group. That you can use VPC. Okay. Let's leave it. So this all will save some time. Let's. Okay. So now, because the instance I have selected as large, right? T2.large. So the cost, if you see here, the cost is $203.
So Harish, as it is showing the monthly cost, so, but
Yeah.
does it do, and actually is it doing the on hourly basis or what?
Yeah, it's hourly base. If it is monthly basis, then for this session, I cannot spend 200 USD. Yeah. So go to the RDS. Tomorrow is Redshift. Redshift also is a bit tricky. So even for removing also, it will take some time, around 10 to 15 minutes.
So currently it shows 2A.
Yeah.
As a reason.
2A, yeah.
Okay.
Let's write it here. Once the EC2s are generated, we will get this endpoint. Till then, let's wait. Right, like monitoring. So this is a monitoring which is for CPU and other things, and log events. So here you can check what are the logs. So if you see here, MySQL upgrade is there, right? later for some time. Here after killing the instance, second instance is pinned up. Here also you can see this is a new option which recently they introduced. And configuration, these are configuration what we have provided. Configuration, instance class, storage type, and performance insights. Maintenance and backups, here we can enable maintenance automatic backup systems, which snapshots every day, sometime we should take live, that we can enable here. Tags are normal. So this is nothing but the tools, they will be having some shell script files or some files. So using some infrastructure tools, they will create a EC2 instance, first install MySQL, verify whether the server is configured properly or not. They'll do some demo schema test. Once it is working fine, then they will install all the tools like monitoring. We have installed Perl scripts in EC2, right? Similarly, they will be installing all those packages to get the control over that particular EC2 machine. And they will also install some script using some automation tools like Terraform or something. AWS have cloud formation, right? So using that, they will install some automatic load balancer creations and mapping things for this ODS. That's why it's taking that time when you are creating ODS. Yeah, so I guess endpoint should be available now. It's modifying. Yeah, so copy the endpoint. Let's see. Create a new one. So August 1st. Uh, yeah. So let's not waste some time. We'll export schema from here and we'll import them. Okay, this is down, right? Come on, where is that button? Come on. Okay, let's create it. Okay, so we have created the schema, so we are able to query the schema. Okay, now let us go here, check the database. Instance is still modifying. Let's wait till it's get available. Then we'll do. Before that, let's do ns lookup with this endpoint. Database. Yeah, so this is the EC2 server. So you can see the UST2A availability zone, and we have the EC2 server name here. Before a restart of the mission. Let's wait till the status get active or available. Then we will do a restart of that. Suppose if you have any schema, right, already which you are working for tester demo one, you can put it to S3 bucket. You can restore from S3 bucket also. Okay, let's do reboot. Yeah, reboot is disabled because the instance is not yet available. Meanwhile, anyone tried EFS or Glacier?
No, Harish, I haven't been able to.
Yeah,
I was a bit busy. I'm just targeting over this weekend.
yeah,
I'm
sure.
just, yeah.
So EFS will not take much time. So 15 to 20 minutes if you would have understood the topic correctly. And Glacier also fine. So at least try to look into the options, user interface options with Glacier, like Vault and other terminologies will be familiar. So the other things we will be creating the lab. So try to practice RDS tomorrow by this weekend. Come on. Making up. So if you see here now, T2.large only is taking this much time, right? Initially, I tried practicing with T2 micro and those instances. So I was facing too many problems. Like I was not able to connect to MySQL workbench, and when I query, it will be keep on rotating, and it will not get the query at all. So I'm not sure what was the issue. Then after searching many times, then they have mentioned, because this will be doing lot of activities in the background, you try to have some bigger instance, so it will be quick for us to check. Mm. Too much time it's taking.
That's how one is prompted to take the bigger machines.
Yeah. So don't try to select free tier, right? When you create options, there was option for you to select free tier here. Go to MySQL. Yeah, if we can see free
And
tier.
will it be little faster if we have taken that Aurora?
Aurora, see, Aurora is a database. It's not like instance type or something. If you want to be faster and quicker, you need to select the instance size here. If you go for memory based ones, then it will be quicker. It will be faster. So if Aurora is a database, which is similar to MySQL. So don't go with this free tier option. Even though it's chargeable, $1 or $2, fine, but to go with this one when you're practicing. So maximum two hours you are going to spend on this RDS lab, right, for practice. So that's fine. It will be not that one. It will be less than $half like that. I can show you my building. Yeah. So it's available now. So let's see this building and go. So if you see here, $0.11 it got charged. For me, I have tried 1 or 2 times in this account. I had a different official account for me. So in that I tried more than 10, 15 times. My bill is around $1.1 for 10 times or 8 to 10 times. So 8 to 10 labs I have taken before. Sessions around 2, 3 sessions we have taken. Before sessions I practiced 2, 3 times, right? So for all the 10 times it was less than $1. So don't worry about the cost. It will be just for 20 to 30 rupees. But if you want to practice this lab, just try with this only. Okay. So okay, now the database available. So just go here, query, and yes, it is available, right? Now let's start rebooting this instance. Reboot with failover. So let the status get changed to rebooting. Now let us go on query. Now this will should take some time to respond the query. Okay, the reboot is not yet applied. Not the reboot is not yet applied, or is it quick for the second one? Yeah, so it's taking time now. So either you can check option here. So this will be back available, or you can, once the query start responding, right, you'll get the populated results. Then you can verify whether the secondary will be up. Initially it was in 2A. Now the zone should be changed here, either 2B or 2C. And let us do NS lookup once this is available. Yeah, now it is available. So if you go and check the query, yeah, you got the results, right? So now this result should be, as per our understanding, it should be from the secondary server, which is from this server. Now let us go and fire the same command, NS lookup. So you got some address, copy paste this in Notepad.
It's different.
Oh, so quick, your eyes. Yeah, if you see here, this
I have
is
four
easy
eyes.
to mission. Okay, so this is easy to mission, right? So this easy to mission. So let me